Any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, the court is going to grant the motion. The court is finding you guilty. Does anyone want to speak with regards to punishment? State?
Yes, Your Honor, the state's requesting 16 months, state jail.
Yeah, we're requesting the minimum. That's 166 days in. We also have some credit for the time she served and.
All right. So what I can tell you, Ms. Lawson, the state is requesting 16 months.
Okay.
I had internalized everything you said. And actually, what the court was going to do was sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility. But the state is requesting 16 months. So I'm going to sentence you to 16 months in the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Do you understand? Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, you were given chances. And in this court, I don't know how other courts do it, but in this court, it is better to ask for permission than forgiveness. All you had to do was pick up the phone and call your probation officer and say, this is what's going on in my life. And if they did not address it, you know what you could have done? You could have come back to this court, come back to me, and I would have figured out what was going on. But for you to behave as though you were not on probation, that's a problem. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. All right, why were you late?
I had, what parking, I couldn't find a parking spot and, I guess.
All right, so court starts at 9. So you need to think about that when you're coming to court and plan accordingly.
Okay.
All right. I know people think it's just a little bit here, it's just a little bit there. But in this court, I try to keep the system streamlined so that everybody understands. And I want everybody to understand the rules, because I find that when people understand what the rules are, you stay within those lines and everything will be just fine. So I require everyone to be here at 9. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So my mom called me and she said, Stephanie, it's Spectre of the gun, not Day of the gun. I'm sorry, you're not a Trekkie.
Oh. Talking about yesterday?
Yes. But I'm telling you, I don't think people realize how great Star Trek, the original, was.
You're right. It was good.
Yes. And it had teachable moments. And Bashan, I will debate anybody to this day and tell them that Mr. Spock should have been leader.
Oh,
He solved every problem.
he really did that.
Bashan, and I don't even think he got an increase in pay.